My hell's brother, dude. There's one more guy here.
Where is he? Yeah.
Oh, don't hit me.
Oh,
Gone.
We're halfway to victory.
inside of this door.
Yeah, he's inside there.
Got him. What's up, pal?
Why are you trying to hit me, bruh? Like, come on. Like, imagine trying to hit. Like,
It is pretty cool though. 18 is for a 40-year-old. 18 is like a million fucking years ago.
Where's this one from? Go.
You gotta live a whole nother life.
Go.
yo, that sounds
Get out of
fucking
here.
awful.
Skedaddle. Alright, I'm repairing.
You go.